In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to see your calculator history on an iPhone running iOS 18. This new feature allows you to see a list of all the calculations you have performed using the calculator app on your iPhone. It can be helpful if you need to reference a previous calculation or check for any errors. To get started, open up the calculator app on your iPhone, and then tap on this button at the top left corner of the screen. Now you'll see your calculator's history. If you want to remove a specific calculation, tap Edit. Then tap on the calculation that you want to remove, and then tap Delete. If you want to completely delete your calculator history, tap Delete All. Tap Delete All to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.